Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to update Meesho application on your mobile device. To ensure you have the latest features and improvements for Meesho app, first of all, open the Google Play Store or your App Store on your device depending upon your device's operating system. Now go to the search box and type in Meesho in the search bar. In the search results, you will see the Meesho online shopping app, this one over here. Once you get to this page, make sure if there is an update button available. If there is no update button available, it means you are currently running the latest version already. If you see the update button, tap on it to update to the latest version of the app, and then the application will download and install the latest version. Once completed, you can open the app directly from the Play Store or your App Store or even your app drawer. So that's how you easily update your Meesho application to its latest version, whether you are using Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.